Number 11. Which model is not a function? All right, remember, a function means one input, x has one output, y. So these are our x's, these are our y's. X, y, x, y, x, and y. So when we look at this first one, this is 1x with one line that is the output. The lines are my output. 1x, one line. 1x, one line. 1x, one line, and 1x, one line. Even though they all go to the same output, the important thing to remember is that each input has one output. So A is a function. Remember, we're looking for the one that's not a function. Alright? Here we have 2 goes to one output. Negative 2 goes to one output. Negative 1 goes to one output. 0 goes to one output. 1 goes to one output. And 2 goes to one output. Every input has one output, therefore it is a function. C is the easiest one to see that it's a function because each input goes directly to one output. Each input directly to one output every time. C is a function. D, on the other hand, all of these are inputs that we're not even worrying about. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outputs for my 1, 2 input. Therefore, D is not a function.